The Philippines in the 1940s. Life After the War, Part 3. Operators in the mainframe of the City Hall switchboard, Manila, 1947. Camera and Motion Picture Projector Repair Department, Philippine Base Command Signal Depot, Manila, 1947. Post-exchange facilities located in the Admiral Apartments, Manila, 1947. Kalisa Ride in downtown Manila, 1949. A U.S. soldier and Filipino civilian work at the Engine Test and Run-In, Engine Rebuild Shop, Ordnance Service Center, Manila, 1947. Interior view of the Manila Terminal Warehouse, 1946. Legion de Veteranos de la Revolución, during the parade commemorating the first anniversary of the Philippine Republic, Manila, 1947. Employees of the 584 Quartermaster Laundry, Mark Clothes, Manila, 1946. Driving a Kalisa past billboard advertisements, Manila, 1940s. UNRRA representatives and employees of Chinese consulate check passengers before boarding the ship in Manila for their return to their homeland, 1946. Men work on a clothes baler at the Quartermaster Depot No. 2, Base X, Manila, 1946. The Manila Symphony Orchestra rehearses under the direction of Professor Bernardino Custodio, Associate Conductor, Manila, 1946. The dining room of the Arlegui property, now occupied by the American Consul General, Manila, 1946. In Photography 1 class of the Philippine Institute for Armed Forces, 1948. Surplus guns left on the dock in Ordnance Depot No. 1, Manila, 1946. The congregation sing at the service of the Philippine Youth for Christ in Manila, 1946. View of trailers, Base X, Ordnance Maintenance Repair Shops, Manila, 1946. Funeral of late President Quezon, 1946. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.